Hi everybody, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning and thanks for joining us in today's video. Now today we're going to be discussing gutter cleaning. So gutter cleaning isn't the most exciting topic to discuss, however it's really important that we do because it can lead to some serious problems. So what happens when you ignore your gutters? They can overflow if they cannot cope with the amount of water that needs to be running away from your building, which is no good for anybody. If you think you've got gutters that are blocked, what are the things you need to look out for? So the first thing, when it rains, you're going to hear that drip, drip, drip. Then you might end up with some type of staining down the brickwork of your property or your render. So obviously then that's going to lead to mold growth and then potential structural damage, which is not cheap to repair, because you could end up with some type of subsidence on your property. So is water damage the only thing you need to worry about? Well, the short answer to that is no. There's also pests and other bigger issues that you need to consider, whether that is bees, wasps, rodents and birds' nests that become your problem. And nobody wants a pesky animal sanctuary in their gutters, do they? Let's be honest. So if your gutters are metal as well, also consider the buildup of water that will cause rust and corrosion, which could shorten the lifespan of your gutters. Or there's an alternative. These are called gutter guards, maybe hedgehogs. My personal opinion, they're expensive. And what happens is the dirt and grime falls to the bottom of the gutter still, and then the seeds fall through and you have plants, grass growing, and it's just an absolute nightmare to get those type of things clean. So if you are considering using hedgehogs or gutter guards, please call me first and we'll have a very strong conversation. Now listen, there's no silly questions here at Alfresco. We're always here and always happy to advise you. So thanks for joining us in today's video. That's Mark from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, and our website is alfrescoec.co.uk, or the telephone number here is 0333 567 2727. Thank you.